Everyone created blog. What is the password? At the rate 1 2. So after login our Gmail ID, go to Google Apps, click on Blogger. We have application Blogger website. Then as day we created this blog, then click on View Blogger. After logging our backend section, then click on View Blog. View Blog means the audience they can chance to see this blog. Now see here, according to our blog, you will be design our menus. Now, what type of the content you want to add? According to our content base also will be prepare our topics. For example, this is a technology related blog. The technology related blogs, what are the menus it will be showing? In technology related blogs, you will add softwares, then mobiles, then computers, games, and gadgets. Like you will be add like this. In these computers, add some submenus. See what are the submenus we have? Like laptops and desktops. Like you will be add some submenus. In these mobile devices also you will be add Android and iOS. See, according to our blog, you will be prepare our topics. If you don't know, take some reference websites, you will be collect. And already we have some existing menus. Instead of these, what are the existing menus we have? You can replace with your own menus. How do you replace? After logging our blogger backend, all the blog editing options is available maximum in layout. Go to layout. In our layout, there is option is there main menu. You have option main menu, edit main menu, link list. Delete all the existing menus except home icon. See what is the home icon? This is the home icon. Delete all the menus except home icon. After deleting, now if you want add new menu, here you will be add gadgets. New site name means menu name. Here which type of the URL you want to add, I will tell you. Initially you will be add a hashtag. You will be add a hash symbol, then click on add link. The menus will be arranged the order using up. Then if you want to add a submenus, you will use a double single underscore, add a submenu. Hashtag, then click on add. This menu is showing on below of your computers. Like that, you will be create our desktops. Hash share link. Then add some softwares and mobiles, whatever. After adding these menus, then click on save. There is option is there again. Click on save in our layout in bottom. Then refresh your website. See, these are the menus. What are the menus we created? It has shown like this. Desktop, laptops, like that. These are the sub menus. For example, I want to create one more sub menus in laptops. Like how to create. For example, I want to add some brand wise. I want to add some brand wise. Here, how to create. If you want to create another sub menu, sub item of sub menu, use the double underscore. Use double underscore. Then you will be mention the brand names. What are the laptops brand names? You know, HP, Lenovo, whatever. Like you will be add. How to add? See, same. Go to Blogger backend, click on layout and edit main menu. Use double underscore in this new site name and add our laptop names hashtag. Then click on add link. Then click on add link. Say arrange this all the menus in proper order. It should be comes under laptops. So I'm showing with an example. Then you will be add our own menus according to our blog. For example, you are creating blog on health related. Then what are the menus you should become? Tell me guys. After adding, then click on save and click on save and refresh your website. So under the laptop there is a sub items is there. If you want add a sub items of sub menu, use double underscore. You can use up to the double underscore only. You cannot use a triple underscore. Here, for example, you are creating blog using the health. Then in this health blog, what are the sub menus is coming? Health, fitness, yoga, and diet, and exercise, some, and tell me, treatments. Yes. Then you will be at sub menus. What are the treatments of the some? What are the diseases you have? Okay. Like all the data will be prepared for the cardiologist and neurologist, everything. So you will be prepare our menus. According to your menus, you will be prepare our content. Now, how to publish a content? The content will be publishing using post. Then the option is post. In our blog, see, there is a post is there. Is with help of the post will be publish your content. So what is the difference between post and pages? Post is a regular updates. For example, you are regular adding your content. you will be create the content using the post. For the regular updates, you will be used to post and you will be add our content. For pages, it will be describe about our blog. Pages we are creating only one time, like about us page and contact us page and services pages. About us page, it will be describe about blog, and contact us page, what are the location details you have, and services page, what are the services will be offered. Only one time we are creating these pages, but blog post we are keep on publishing. Daily we are updating this post. If any content you will be published using the post options. We have a blogger backend post. Go to the post. Right now there is no post. None. Which type of the content you want to publish? Just you will be make it as a one content. How to write a content? So you are not a writing content writers. Then, so for example, I want to publish a latest Lenovo laptop. Want to publish a latest Lenovo laptop. Then, how to publish a post? Or I want to publish a laptops. Top 5 best laptops. Uh, 2021. Like that. You will be prepare our content like this. So in real time, you don't worry about it. Content writers is there. Content writing also one of the job role. They will prepare a content and they will give it to you. And in our blog, if you want write a content, you will be write content on your own languages also. Just English also very easy, and just you will be refer 2 to 3 websites. You will be write your own content if you are interested. Don't do copy paste from other websites. You will write your own content yourself only. If any content, don't do copy paste from third party websites. Take a reference, and the content you should write in your point of view, because of you are the author. For example, you observed all the newspapers is published. India won match against Australia. But the way of the presentation is different. The author, they will write a content their own point of view. In your blog, you are the author. You will write a content on in your own point of view. Take a reference contents, but don't do copy paste as it is. You will write a content on in your point of view. Here, for example, I want to publish a top 5 laptops. Top 5 laptops for business people in 2021. Just take a reference. Oh, take a reference, then you will be write our content. The 9 best business laptops of 2021. See, these are the information will be fine, and you will be collect the information. See, for each laptop you will be collect the image. The way of the presentation of the content also most important. Don't write a large paragraph, sir. The people won't read paragraphs. Take a one laptop title, and below of the title you will add one image, and present our content with using steps, bullets, and numbers. You know the MS Word already. See, don't do the copy paste, and don't write a large number of paragraphs, 10 lines and 15 lines paragraphs. The people won't read our paragraphs. This doesn't have that much of time. See how the people are present their content. You should add our images. This add our images. The main points. What are the main points you have? Like the specifications, you should be present. For example, so if I'm taking this content for example purpose, you don't do copy paste. If you want create a post, go to your blogger backend, click on new post, and here we will be add our title. So what is our title? Top 5 laptops for business people in 2021. Or simply how to write like the top 5 business laptops. Top 5 business laptops in 2021. Like that, you will be write our content. This is the title. You should give a title of our post. Then you will add our content details with images. So now you are describing about our content using laptops. See, collect a one laptop image from Google. So at the time of the collecting the images, see, don't collect a watermark images. You know the watermark already. Background white color, the name it will be showing. Don't collect a watermark images. Collect a plain images, or you will be go to the direct website and collect images. There is no issue. Use the quality images. So the images should have a width and height 1920 by 1080. This is the HD images resolutions. Then see how to add image. If you want to add our image, go to the insert image. Then the image will be upload from your desktop. Upload our image from desktop. Then after inserting our image, click on the settings, image settings, choose X large and then click on update. It will be fit to your blog. Then you have to write about what are the best business, top 5 best business laptops. Add our content. Add our content, select our content, then you will be apply a headings, subheadings. Already we have a major heading. This is a major heading. Then if you want make as a headings, you can use. Then you will be write all the content. So select our text, then apply a bullets and align our text, and apply a bullets and apply a numbers. Then see here, you observe the indent. Increase indent means this is a sub item of bullet points. Decrease the indent means normal bullet point it will be showing. And if you don't want undo control Z options, you can do the control Z and change your font styles. There is a different font styles we have, we can change and increase our text sizes also. For example, any particular text size if you want to increase, just you can increase the large. You can increase the text size, then use the subheadings and select as a normal text. Then use the bullet, bold, you know already bold and italic underlines these things. Text strike throughs. So this is a text strike throughs. If you want, you can use. Then change your colors, text colors. So don't apply a white color, sir. If you are applying white colors, it will be going to spamming, and you will be change your text colors and add our background colors. Highlight with our background colors. Then insert a links. For example, there is a Lenovo ThinkPad. Select our text, insert a link, add our Lenovo website URL. Once the people click on this link, they can chance to visit our those website. Then you will be add our videos also. See, The video you will be add from your computer. You have your own video you will be upload. Otherwise, you will be select our video from YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube. Then as per our title, go to the search, and as per our title, you will be find the videos. See why videos is not showing. We'll see. And add our text in double quotations. Here you will be highlight our text in double quotations. It will be showing on quotation formats. Now this post is relevant of which topic? This is relevant of laptops. Now you will be add our label name is a laptops. You understand what is a label name? Label name, it will be acting as a category. No, it will be segregated the group of the post. For example, you have a different post like laptops and desktops. It will be showing once the people click on the laptops, all the laptop posts it will be showing in our filters. You observe if you are opening any newspaper or newspaper website, it will be showing the different categories. Once the people click on the sports, it will be showing only the sports news. Once the people click on the laptops, it will be showing only the laptops. The labels, it will be acting as a filter tags and categories. What the category is doing, the group of the post, it will be going to separate with each and individual categories. Then add our label names. According to our post, add our label names. This post is relevance of this category. The labels, it will be acting as a categories. Now here I will show you how to add a videos. There is some problem videos. See, this is a front view. Front view means visually we are seeing. There is some back end is there. Compose view is a front view and HTML view is the back end. If you know the HTML programming coding also, here you will be add in our back end. And if you want to add a compose view, the data, you will be select a compose view. We'll see the videos is not retrieving. There is some problem, we'll see. Then click on publish, then click on confirm. Now what is the label name we have? Laptops. After publishing, refresh your blog. So in this recent post, what are the posts you published? It has shown. Click on our post. Now this is our post title, the published author, publishing date, and what are the posts, the content it has shown. It will be showing as bullets, and the content it will be showing on quotation formats, everything. And what are the tags? It will be showing laptops. The tags, it will be acting as a categories. The post you will be sharing our Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Like how to share? Click on the Facebook, log in with your Facebook username and password. Then you can share your URLs. We'll get a traffic from social media channels. After publishing our post, you will be shared. Then how to share in our WhatsApp? There is a WhatsApp web. You can connect with our desktop. You can share this link in five people at a time. Cannot share more than 5 people. Here, select our image, click on settings, and you can use the original images also. Better, you can use the original image, then click on update. Then click on update. Then you will be checked in our blog post. So use original image also it will be showing and fine. Then like that you will be add your images, and you will be keep on publish your content. Then we'll see how to add a videos. Videos is not retrieving, actually it will be retrieving here. You will try it. You'll try select one video, any video you can select, there is no issue. Or you will be add our videos manually also. How do you add? See, go to the YouTube, then enter our keyword. For example, take this any video here, click on the video, click on the video. Now click on the share. So click on share, then copy this video link, or there is option is there embed. Don't copy this one, click on the embed directly. Copy this iframe code. Copy this iframe code. The width and height also you can decide. What is the video width and height it should be there. We'll add our own width and height dimensions. Copy this iframe code and go to your Blogger backend. Click on HTML view and add our code in at the down. Just you can paste. Then click on compose view. So we will be add our videos like this. See, this is the video added. Then you will be click on update. Then you will be check your preview. So the video it will be added on in our post. See why we are adding from YouTube. It will not take more space. Your space is saved, and your page it will be loading accuracy. It's in fast. It will not take so much of time to load our web page also. That's why you will be better to take the link from YouTube. Just how to add? See, open a video, click on share, then click on embed. Copy this code, and the code you will be paste in our post in our compose or HTML view. Go to HTML view and paste our code, then click on compose view. Just you can arrange the alignments. Just you will click on backspace and click on update and refresh our post. Add our videos also. So you have to graphical presentation, and don't write a large number of paragraphs. You will be present accurate way. Then the people are interesting to read our content, images and videos we have. Don't add it too much images. Only the required images only should be added. See, for example, you don't know the content writing. You don't know content writing. You want to publish your own content on in our own mother tongue. You can do it. The Telugu or Hindi, whatever languages, or the WhatsApp chat. The people, the Telugu content, they are typing in English. Those type of the content also you can add if you want. If you don't know the content rating, if you want to publish content in your own mother tongue language, Google will accept. There is no issue, and the AdSense also it will be working. You can chance to earn revenue. How to present? The tool we are using. Not on. Go to the Google. Not on. Go to Google. Type Google input tools. You your own language. You will be publish your content on your own language. Type Google input tools. Click on Google input tools. Click on Google input tools. Then click on try it out. Then click on try it out. Then click on try it out. See here, you will be select your language. Which language you want to present your content. You can select Hindi or English, whatever, Telugu. For example, I want to publish a content in Telugu. Select a language Telugu. Then you know the WhatsApp chat. How to chat? Just tell me the one Telugu word. See, avaru. See how you will be doing chatting. Why? Yeah. Then you can select the exact word. Then you will be prepare our content. You know the WhatsApp chat. Like those words you can use, and you will be prepare our content in your own mother tongue languages also. For example, you want to publish your content in Hindi. Select our languages Hindi. Then tell me one Hindi word. Up. AAP. Up. Which one is correct? You can select. Like this is the tool real time the people are using Google input tools. The people are presenting. The people are prepared the content their own. English also very easy, and if you want you can make it as clear. First we will be prepare our content according to our blog. Like this top five best, like this type of the contents it will be going to reach more. See, content is playing key role. At least you guys are should publish daily 3 blog articles. You should have a minimum 300 words article. Better my suggestion should write 900 words article daily. 900 words articles. And the content you should be present with points, bullets, whatever steps, and use subheadings. And you will write 900 words article. If you don't have any content updates, the people won't visit our website. Simple. You are following one entertainment site. These people are not updating any content. What you are moving with another website. You will be keep on publishing content on our website. Then only you will get a profit. Then only the people they can engage with your content. See here, there is a one option is there hot post. See, your content it should be published in this top of the web, top of the header section here. In this section we call as a hot post as per our theme. If you want to publish this content on this section, see, go to your Blogger backend, then click on layout. Here you can publish only one particular label post. For example, what is the label I created? Laptops. I want to publish the latest laptops information. Here, go to the layout. In this layout, there is option hot post. Just will be click on edit. See here, already we have some existing label name cars. Remove the existing label name and add our own label name laptops. Then click on save and again click on save and refresh your website. So what are the latest posts you created? It will be showing on in this hot post section, and the remaining post it will be showing it in our beside of the main post here. See, you will be create our content, you will be use the quality image, the image clarity also it will be going